If you're a business person who handles multiple social media accounts, you will agree with me that managing these accounts sometimes can be really, really frustrating and very tiring. Sometimes you take a post that you're supposed to make on a particular account to another one. Sometimes you fail to reply messages on time because everything is just so choked and so terribly looking. But in today's video, I come bearing solution. I'm going to introduce you to a very powerful tool. This tool can help you manage multiple social media accounts wherever in the world that you are. Wherever you want to manage these accounts, you can manage them properly, very easily, and very, very straightforward. You're going to make your timeline very clean and everything will be nice and fully organized. The name of this tool is called AdsPower. I believe must have heard about this, but if you haven't heard about this, then this tutorial is for you. Even though I've heard about it and you're skeptical, you don't know how it works, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to get this thing to work, on how to use this to manage multiple social media accounts. If you're new here, my name is Gerard. I make easy for tutorial, so please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. So I'll be switching on to my PC to guide you on how to first of all create this account, log in, fund this account, and be able to use it to manage multiple social media accounts. For this tutorial, I'll be focusing on Instagram. We're using this to manage multiple Instagram accounts for this tutorial, but you can use it to manage multiple Gmail accounts, multiple Facebook accounts, multiple WhatsApp accounts, and any social media account at all that you can possibly think of. So without wasting much time, let us get down to business. So to do this, you'll first of all click on the link in the description below or in the comment section, the pin link in the comment section, and it's going to bring it here. And you're going to sign up. When you sign up, it's going to bring you to this very page here. All right. So if you want to set up your proxies, the first thing you need to do is just come here and click on new profile. Mind you, you can actually download this. You can actually download the whole AdsPower software and run it on your PC, straight up on your PC, and use it from there. So all you have to do is just to come here and click on new profile. If you look at it carefully, let's come back here. If you look at it, I already have a profile here set up here. But I'll be walking you through how I got to this profile here. All right. So you're going to click on add new profile. I'm going to bring you here. So here you're going to name your profile, whatever name you want to name it. Let's just name it uh Instagram for Gerard. All right, you can choose whatever you want. So here, this very profile browser here is a Chrome profile. All right, and here is a Firefox profile. You can always choose this and then choose the version of the Chrome that you want. All right, it's very sure here. Here you're going to choose the operating system that you want. uh this is the Microsoft operating system, this is the iOS operating system, and then the rest follows. This Apple operating system, I mean, this is the iOS operating system, this is Android operating system, and I think this is supposed to be like Linux operating system. Yeah, you got it correct. All right, so you can choose whatever operating system that you want. So secondly, then you're going to come down here to proxies. All right, so there are like different options here. All right, so you have saved proxies that you can actually choose from. You can actually choose like a proxy provider and then buy proxy directly, or you can use like a custom proxy. All right, so we'll be going with the custom proxy. All right, so for this we'll be choosing SOX 5. All right, so there's an IP tracker here, and here you're going to input your host. Right, you're going to input your host. All right, so from here I'll take you guys to the profile I've already created and show you guys how this is supposed to look. And then here you have your host and pods. All right, you're going to do that and you're going to enter it. So when you do here, you have your proxy username, and here you have your proxy password. All this comes with when you get your proxy. All right, so and if you want to get your proxies, you can actually come here and then buy proxies here easily. You can easily come here and then buy proxies that you want to make use of. All right, so if you want to do that, you just have to click on proxies here and click on buy proxies. This is very, very affordable. All right, this is extremely very affordable. So you can come here and you can see, you can choose whatever country you want right here. You can choose how long you want the proxies to last. You can choose the quantity of the proxy. If you want two proxies, if you just want one to use for this, you can also do that. Then you choose a method of payment. either you're using uh, a crypto, PayPal, card, Bitcoin, whatever payment you want, it's all accepted here. Then when you're done and choosing whatever you want, then you come here and click pay. But first of all, you're going to click that you have understood. You have read and understood the agreements, blah blah, and you're going to click here to buy, and it's going to provide you with your proxy. So when you have your proxy, that's when you're going to come here and then import it right here. All right, the proxies will be here. All right, so for the next option, we have actually moved to the browser. So you just have to come here, then click. Now we're gonna come here and click on open. Then proxy check and everything will be done. And within a few seconds, uh, your browser will be opened for you. And then here we go. You can see everything here, start time, proxy, and everything here that's it is, the time zone and every other thing. So to log in and manage an Instagram account, you can see where this is, see where this proxy is. So let's go to Instagram. Actually, it's here. All of these things are saved here for you to access them easily. I'm going to log in one of my accounts right now to show you how to log in your account here and also manage your account on here. So I'm going to log in my official YouTube Instagram account. Gerard Space. And as you can see, we're into our Instagram account. This is our official Instagram account. Let me go to my profile so that you see it clearly. This right here is actually the official Instagram account. So this is how easy it is to log in accounts and then manage it. And now the good thing is that you can always come back here, create more profiles, and then manage different accounts. You can do this across YouTube channels also to easily manage your YouTube account, your YouTube channels on different platforms. It's very easy and it's very straightforward, and it's extremely smooth. As you can see, this it's not laggy. The services are top notch and they are amazing. To be honest, I'll highly recommend this any day, anytime. All right, so we can also create an app profile right now and then log in an Instagram account, and it's still going to look superb. It's going to look way manageable and well arranged. So if you're managing multiple Instagram accounts, you work for companies, you manage their social media accounts, this is one of the best proxy services out here that you can use to get all of this done. So to do this, first of all, you need to come to your AdsPower account here, and You're going to navigate this part here, and here you're going to see the RPA plus. You're going to click down on this drop down here, and first you're going to see the process. So let's come to the process here. All right, when you come, this is the interface that you're going to be greeted with. This wasn't here. I actually created this for the purpose of this video. So you will come here, then you click on create. So here, when you come here, you're going to see all of the web actions that are here that you can actually select from. All right, so you can give it the tags like refresh web page as a particular time, access websites, switch tabs, close tabs. You can also create a new tab. You can create home, go back home, screenshots, drop down. Everything is just one complete pack. All right, the key is the time. Everything that you need is here. All right, so you can give it tags like you want it to open Instagram at a particular time. You want it to go to so page. You want it to make a post. Everything is well packed here, right? And when you're done doing all of this, then you're going to save. Then that brings us back to what we have here. All right, so when you save it, this is what you're going to come to. All right, so you're also going to select a profile that we're going to make use of. Let's just select this profile that we're going to make use of. Here's the process name. If you want, you can actually rename that. Right, so this is the name I use. So how do you want your execution order to be? Do you want it to be in order or to be random? All right. Right. This thing will be in order. All right. So we can schedule this if we have it to be, if you want to do once daily at a particular time. You want it to be at every interval. You want it to be every day. However you want it to be, you can just select it and then also add the timer, the date, or on how on days you want this to carry out that particular task. All right, like I said, this RPA is this RPA is an automated task. All right, so just unlike doing this thing manually, you can also give RPA. It's just that you're going to give it a task that is going to run automatically. Going to give it a particular task, an order or a script that makes it run automatically at a particular time to do whatever you want to do. You can use this for multiple Instagram accounts. Let's say you have you have 10 Instagram accounts and then you want them to make a particular post at a particular time. You can make use of this RPA, give it the script, give it what it's supposed to do, and at that exact time, it's going to make that process for you. So let's say you don't want to go through the whole stress of setting this up yourself. All right, you can just come down here to marketplace. Here you have like varieties of every uh, script and task that has been made automatically. All you have to do is just to come click whichever one you resonate more with and then make use of it. You don't have to stress to start setting it up or giving it this thing from scratch like what we're making use of Instagram. So let's look at this Instagram section here. All right, so we have here we have Instagram scroll and like. Here we have Instagram search topics, scroll post, we have IG blogger, follower scrapper. So whichever one you're using it with, you can just make use of. You can just select it here, and then also make use of it. We also have for Gmail. Also have for Shopee. We have for LinkedIn. We have a Twitter X, Amazon, TikTok, ST, and of course YouTube. How could I have forgotten this? We have also for YouTube. You can do this to watch videos, get YouTube subtitle information. There are just a whole lot, and everything is packed in here, right? So let's say you're done with all of this, you're done setting it up, you've made use of it. You can come under here and look at your tax log. Under this tax log here, it's going to appear everything that has been done when this automated tool, like suppose scroll search a particular topic or perform any task that you mandated to perform. It's going to show you here, so you can easily come to this section here and also look at your tasks that has been completed, the ones that haven't been completed, and then you will know which one has worked and which hasn't worked. But 99.9% of the time, this works perfectly. All right, so you definitely have no issue. After completing your tax, you're going to see your tax here. If you just in case you choose to edit it, all right, you can also come here and say create tax, right? And if you have like a particular regular tax, it's going to appear here. If you want to schedule a tax, you can also come here and do it. All right, you can come here like this, the same process we talk about. All right, so you're going to come here, select a particular profile of your proxy that you already have. You're going to come then we'll have IG follower scripper, then we'll have it ordered, then let's just leave it at common. So you can also prioritize this very task if you want to. You can just prioritize it if you want it to execute immediately you're done. All right, or you want it to execute now. All right, so you want it to execute immediately after you create this. You can just tap on OK, and if everything is set, you see that your task will start executing immediately. As you can see, our operation is already working. If you can look at it here carefully, all right, it's waiting, but we didn't put in our Instagram. We haven't logged in our Instagram, so that hasn't been done yet. All right, I mean executed what we wanted to execute clearly. So that's how this works. That's how this RPA works. It's one of the best tools or best features of this AdsPower. It's so packed. Unlike other proxy providers, AdsPower is just way ahead with this very. So the tool is amazing, really, really amazing. Let's talk about let's just talk about one other amazing tool
that AdsPower has. It's called the synchronizer. It's also under the automation tool. This is one of the best tools here that I came across. If you manage multiple Instagram accounts or web pages or social media account, then this tool is especially for you. You don't have to start posting one out on it one after the other. All you have to do is just to use this synchronizer tool, and whatever you do on one account is going to be repeated on the other account. Let me show you how this works. So first of all, just come under this profiles here. All right. So let us open all of our profiles. All right. So we have two of our profiles open here. This is the first one, and then this is the second one. So let's just come to this synchronizer here, and let me show you how this works. So we have two of these profiles open. So now the two profiles now, we can actually control them from here. All right. So uh, we can also come select these two profiles. This one of them is the main window, then one of them is a control window. All right, so let us view these windows here. So our windows are here now. As you can see, one of these is the main windows, and then one of these is actually the window that is emulating whatever this other window does. All right, so the features are available Chrome. Right now, these features only have available Chrome. All right, so let's just come here. So when you do this, you can whatever you do here, you can control these windows from here. All right, so if you want them to be in uniform size, let's say they're not in uniform size, you want them to be in uniform size, you can also do that if you want to view the windows. They come up like automatically. If you want to change the screen here, and maybe you don't want like how the screen looks, you can do that automatically. All right, so let's just view our windows come up. Let's say we want particular text that we want click delays, we want it so when you're typing it delays, when you type on the main window it delays on the other window. We can also do that. All right, so everything here is everything here. This is how everything works here on this thing. We can look at the tabs, we can close, we can choose same tabs, we can close all the other tabs. All here we have the power here to control and do everything we want to do on these windows. So basically, how this works is that whatever you do on the main windows automatically reflects on the other window. All right, so that's how this works. All right, so as you can see here, if I open a new tab here, it opens on the other end. All right. So if I type here, Gerard space, you see that it automatically appears on that other end. I'm typing on one end, it's basically appearing on the other end. All right. So everything that you do here. So basically, this is how this Windows Synchronizer works. You can have like multiple windows open, and whatever you do on the main windows, just basically just replicate on the other window. As you can see here, I come here, I type. So whatever I do here reflects whatever I do on this main page. This is my main page here, reflects on the other page. Let us open my YouTube account here and see. All right, before you continue to accept all, let's do that. As you can see, my YouTube channel has opened here, and it's definitely going to open this other part too. So whatever I do here basically just reflects here. All right. So you can also come here, open a new tab and search for Ads Power. As it opens, it automatically opens on the other end. So this is how the synchronizer feature works. It's a very amazing feature. If you have multiple Instagram accounts, you don't have to start going through one after the other to actually use them. You can actually just use them via this very method. It's straightforward, it's very easy, and it saves like a lot of time. So as you scroll here, whatever you do here, basically just appears. So if you have multiple windows open, it will also do the same thing. All right. So this is how this Windows works. All right. It's really an amazing tool. Okay, you can tap, you can close, do whatever you want to do here. It's just super amazing. All right. So you can also change the way you want them to look. All right. So you can also change here the way you want them to look. If you want them to have like a grid view, you can also change them, but we don't have much. So we just have two tabs open. So it's not going to function properly. We want if we had like four tabs, that would have done wonders. All right. So but I believe you get the idea on how this works. All right. So that's that on this.
Thanks for watching. I hope that was educative. I hope that was nice. If you find this useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, and also like this video. If you have any questions or you need me to throw more light about any of these things, please drop it in the comment section below. You can use my referral link in the description below to register, and you're going to get a small discount fee for this when you make a first deposit. So see you guys in the next video.